My name is Eva Angeli and I'm working as Corporate Social Responsibility Specialist for ETEX. The biggest challenge of all, in my view, is the time. The clock is ticking against us. We are facing, as a sector, but also as parts of this world, as people of this world, we are facing, first of all, the megatrends, urban population, the materials are becoming more and more scarce, the prices are going higher and higher, customers are becoming more and more demanding, and legal requirements on top. Well, in fairness, I think that sustainability is not quite a new topic for ETEX. I think that sustainability has been on the internal agenda of quite a lot of people and leadership teams for quite some time now. What has really changed and shifted over the past, we can say years, a couple of years, is the fact that now we are more clear and more structured and more methodical in the way we are communicating, and we start to communicating around sustainability. And a very good example of it is our latest sustainability report that has just been published with the title of Building for the Future. And then on the environmental part, we are striving for carbon neutrality, and we are setting up our planning as we speak and our roadmap to ensure that we are able to achieve that target. And we are also focusing strongly on waste management and circularity.